Lot of news that 5-year nationality law is finished. These are the news, and therefore I think it's very necessary to tell you factual things regarding 5 years nationality law. You may be in a hypothetical statement and you may be worried and you may be sad that this was very good news of 5 years nationality law, that your time of passport will count from expression of interest or file lock. And these news are making a lot of people a worriness level. They are making sick. So therefore I will tell you what is original news. First of all, I would like to tell you, still 5 years nationality law is valid. There is no any problem until now. Even in coming days, in coming months as well, I will verify you and I will give you evidences. Only one minister of public welfare of last government, PSD Portugal, and you know this government is now in power. This is not now, he is not minister, he is no more minister now. And he just gave his suggestion, advice, and he is making his own statement in next elections. Technically, these are election statement, that if we will be given once again chance in May 2025 in the next election, which is upcoming, we will reform 5 years nationality law. Number one, he will come in election, mean that this party PSD will win, then they will reform 5 years nationality law. And he did not tell that he will finish 5 years nationality law. So a lot of hypothetical statements YouTubers are giving, that 5 years nationality law is going to finish. It's not going to finish. First of all, the minister who have given this statement, he is no more minister. And biggest question is that when he was minister, why he did not finish? This government just days back is gone due to opposition, no confidence vote, and you all know that this government was very strict in immigration. They closed Article 88, Article 89, and if they were having intention to close 5 years nationality law, mean that they want to increase 5 year nationality law. They were against 5 year passport time. Why they did not improve the law? Why they did not change the law when they were in power? Now they are not in power and they are claiming to get the votes. Number one, their chances in the next election is very less. I can tell you why. Because just days back, opposition party who appear in Parliament of Portugal as a majority, because they actually presented no confidence vote. They were in opposition and people gave against government. People gave votes against government of Portugal, and opposition party won no confidence vote, and that's why this government of PSD has gone, and the minister of this government, ex-government, he is no more minister. Once again I am claiming these words have no value of an ordinary citizenship of Portugal. He is a politician now, he is not minister, number one. Second question, they will win election, they will not win election, lot of questions. I proved in this clip that if opposition party is able to win no confidence vote, it means opposition party have strong chances in the upcoming elections of Portugal to win the election in 2025, May 2025. This is another point. Third point, even if the PSD wins, the minister did not tell that they will finish 5 years nationality law. He told, we will improve. And still bigger questions are there. When they were in power, they did not change this law. This is a precious point. So what is the result? What is the conclusion? Drink the milk and sleep, and if you have completed 5 years after file lock in Portugal, and go with confidence to get the passport and apply for passport to the IRN office of Portugal, because you are eligible and you are very eligible according to 5 years nationality law. To finish the law is not an easy game. They did not finish in last tenure. If they will win in the next tenure, still they have to do a lot of things, and I think my analysis says they will not change 5 years nationality law because they are scared of opposition. You just imagine what happened in no confidence vote. They were not able to save themselves. How they are able to pass any law? So looking very difficult for PSD. And minister is speaking when he is no more minister. It means that they had intention to change this law, but they were not able because they were not having majority, and they were thinking that people will not give them vote in Parliament House. So collectively, if I will analyze the situation, this is not news. These are just statements before elections. Normally people gave such statements to get the votes, and you will keep getting statements, different statements. Even you will listen one more statement. I am giving you one idea that one politician, some politicians may say that we will open Article 88, Article 89. Reason is that a lot of immigrants, overseas immigrants, they are now citizen, and they are entitled to give the vote to the Portugal. Now, to get the immigrants' vote, some politicians may claim, because some immigrants are citizens now, and they want to help the brothers of their own country, and they think that immigrant must get passports. So they may say, some politicians may say, we will open Article 88, Article 89. However, this minister also told that we will make more strictness in immigration. So why he is telling, I can analyze by different angle, but one angle is very important, which is I am telling now. Portugal citizens basically give votes in the elections. Portugal citizens, they may be immigrants, but native Portugal, original Portugal citizens mean they are not immigrants, and they are Portugal born Portugal citizens. They are Portuguese native citizens. They mostly decide that who will be the winner in elections, because they are more in the numbers. Immigrants are less in numbers, even they became citizen. Now this minister, when thought that we are no in a government, so therefore we must give such statements that in next elections we win again. They did not do these things in their tenure. Now they are talking that we will make more tight immigration, we will do this thing, we will do. They are making happy Portuguese citizens. They will not be able to do practically, and they did not do in the last tenure. Thank you very much. Even immigration was better. Lipson Center, you know, AIMA Lipson Center worked very well in their tenure, and they did not do in the last government. So this government of PSD were well in at least processing of resident card. Thank you very much.